This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 313 RLTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, spare tire kit, LP detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, refrigerator, slide-out, water heater, external shower, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 313 RLTS is 8,375 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.